Top news as of December 18, 2025. World news, global headlines. Wall Street indexes modestly up amid policy and tech swings. U.S. markets saw slight gains in the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq as investors weighed interest rate expectations and mixed corporate news. Energy stocks rebounded on rising crude oil prices tied to a U.S. blockade on Venezuelan oil tankers, boosting sentiment. Tech stocks were mixed. Oracle dipped while Amazon and Netflix drew gains. Meanwhile, Fed Governor Christopher Waller hinted at possible future rate cuts if economic conditions soften. Global equities under pressure as tech loses steam. MSCI's Global Equity Index fell amid pressure on major U.S. technology stocks, while precious metals like silver hit record highs as investors sought safe havens on growth concerns. China raced to lead AI chip production. Exclusive reporting shows China has built a Manhattan Project-style initiative to rival the West in AI semiconductor production, seen as a strategic push in the global tech arms race. U.S. lawmakers challenge Intel over Chinese-linked tools. Republican lawmakers criticized Intel for testing chip-making equipment linked to Chinese firms, citing national security risks, intensifying the political spotlight on semiconductor supply chains.
Economy and finance. Key global developments. Major financial leadership move at J.P. Morgan. J.P. Morgan has named Edward Byun as Global Head of Technology Equity Capital Markets, ECM, signaling continued investment focus on technology-linked finance. Coursera to acquire Udemy. Big online education consolidation. Online education platforms Coursera and Udemy agreed to merge in an all-stock deal valuing the combined firm at $2.5 billion, targeting growth in AI and tech workforce training demand. Broader finance headlines, rates, regulation, markets. Recent finance news includes ongoing Fed independence debates, regulatory changes in Europe, bank leadership shifts, and strong UK bank stock performance ahead of a possible Bank of England rate cut. ETF and commodities trends. Gold and silver prices reflect safe haven demand amid market volatility, while global stock futures sit near mixed territory with investors cautious about tech valuations.
Technology, latest innovations, and industry moves. Amazon reorganizes AI leadership. Amazon announced key changes in its AI leadership team, including veteran departures and internal promotions, highlighting intense competition in generative AI and cloud services. Global tech sector trends. Broader tech news points to shifts in AI strategies, regulatory and geopolitical frictions, including the U.S. pausing a tech deal with the U.K., and evolving competition in mobile and XR technologies.
In summary, markets remain cautious amid mixed tech performance and macroeconomic signals. Major corporate and finance leadership changes reflect tech finance convergence. Strategic competition in AI and semiconductors intensifies globally. Investors balance risk assets versus safe havens like precious metals.